Hi, I am Bapin. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to demonstrate an interesting open-source OSINT tool called Instagram Location Search. This tool helps investigators and researchers discover Instagram posts based on geographic locations using publicly available data. In this video, I will show you how to install the tool, configure it properly, and use it for location-based Instagram investigations. We will also explore how the search process works behind the scenes and how you can use it for open-source intelligence research. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, search Instagram location, search GitHub, and click the first GitHub link. Instagram Location Search Tool by bellingcat is an open-source OSINT utility used to find Instagram posts from specific geographic locations. Now open Command Prompt in your folder by writing cmd in path. In Command Prompt, write pip install virtualenv command and enter. Using virtualenv tool, we can run software in virtual environment. Now run the command python-mvenv Instagram-location-search. This command creates a virtual environment named Instagram Location Search. After running it, a new folder will be created along with several files inside it. You can verify it by running the command dir. Now run ./Instagram-location-search/scripts/activate.bat to activate environment. Now copy the following command and run it in Command Prompt. Pip install Instagram-location-search. This command will download and install the Instagram Location Search tool and its required dependencies. Run Instagram-location-search-h. It displays the help menu. Now we need the latitude and longitude values for the location we want to search. You can easily find these values using Google Maps. Open Google Maps and navigate to the location you want to investigate. Then right-click on the exact point on the map and click on the location coordinates to copy the latitude and longitude values. Now we will copy these values with arguments and paste in Command Prompt. Okay, we've got the latitude and longitude values, but we still need cookie value to give to this tool. Okay, let's write --cookie. We will pass cookie value in this double quotes. We can get cookie value in Instagram.com, so sign in to Instagram.com. After signing, right-click and click on Inspect option. Now go to the Network tab. In the search or filter box, type cookie. After that, reload the page. Once the page reloads, you will see a filtered network request related to cookies. Click on the filtered request. On the right side panel, look for the section named Cookie. And once you find it, copy the cookie value from there. Paste this copied cookie value in Command Prompt here. Now specify the output file by writing --map. And then specifying path of output file. Now press Enter to execute this command. We'll generate an HTML file. Now open this file in browser. Here we can see a map with multiple points displayed on different locations. These points represent Instagram posts. If we click on this point, it will redirect us to the official Instagram page for that location. Here we can see many other posts uploaded from the same location, including the one we found earlier. It also displays recent posts shared from this area. If we open the user profile and check the latest posts, we can confirm that the same post appears in the recent location posts as well. Keep in mind, this tool only works with publicly available Instagram posts. If an account is private, its posts and location data will not appear in the search results. The tool does not bypass Instagram security or access private information. It simply collects and organizes publicly accessible location-based posts for OSINT and research purposes. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more OSINT, cybersecurity, and other tricks and tips. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.